Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. I am going to teach you how you can add iframe code in WordPress website using Elementor. You can see this is a website of a school. Uh, I am going to add a form, contact form for booking a tour for the school. I am going to add custom HTML here, HTML. Okay, I have a code, iframe code of contact page. Okay, you can see my contact page. I have placed my code here, and it's working properly. Hope so. I am going to publish. Thanks for watching this video. I am going to show you live. So this is the website, and I have placed the code of contact page. This is the code. Okay, thanks for watching this video.